This is a viral curly hair product from Brazil, and if you've ever looked at Brazilian curly hair videos or photographs, their hair is just so frizz-free. It's just beautiful, long, defined, so organized. All those viral videos you see, they are probably from Brazilian models, and it's gone viral for some reason. So I decided to try it, and here's my full review on what is it, who can use it, and if you have any other questions, then go ahead and comment. It is a co-wash which you can use to wash your hair in between your shampoo days, or you can leave it in like a leave-in conditioner and use it like a primer, like a base, the first thing that you use in your hair, and then you can end with a gel over it or a mousse or both. I got my hands on the viral Scala. This is a product that's been so viral, and I've seen so many influencers use it and they've got great results. So let's try it. Of course, I want to smell it first. It doesn't smell like anything to me. It's like just like glycerin, but let's see how it does on my hair. This is my day 4 hair ready to be washed. So let's see how this turns out. Keep watching till the end. I start on soaking wet hair, which I co-washed with the Scala. Now it's time to style. You must have noticed in those influencer videos that they end up using a lot of the product. I didn't want to do that. I don't like wasting products. So I just took a little bit and I'm working my hair with it, and I introduced a comb because the combs usually don't go through my hair, but the slip on this, this was so satisfying. I didn't want to stop. Can detangle so easily. And then I take some more. Okay, I've never seen my hair react to a leave-in conditioner like this. Like, look at the hold it's giving each curl. So I decided to finger coil just the fronts because I know I just want this result to be good. And I'm able to finger coil. That's a testament to how slippery this product has made my hair. This is styled. This is just a leave-in, so I'll need a gel to go with this. So I'm going to apply the bounce curl gel. The Scala I put in my hair is protein free, so I figured that I should put a gel that has really good amount of protein so that I can get good results for my hair right now. This is with the leave-in and the gel. And these are my results. What do you think? Drop a comment. Super lightweight, volume, there's moisture, hold. Okay. I've used Scala a few times and in different combinations, and it really depends on which Scala you're using. I've only tried the Blue Skala, and no, it does not build up because it's super lightweight. It really depends on how much product you use. You know, you wonder why people have those viral hooks where they show you, the first scene they show you, they're like pouring this out or they're applying too much on their hair, because it's lightweight. A lot of people with longer hair, heavier hair, thicker hair will need more of this product to work. I used very less product in this result, so they are not like super defined curls like they were in my last wash. I used more quantity over there, but it did not build up for me. Is it a good brand? What's the definition of good? For me, a good curly hair brand would be free of SLS free of silicones, free of waxes or drying alcohols, no other baddie ingredients which we want to look out for. And this one doesn't have any of the baddies. So yes, it's a good product to try if you're a curly hair person. But you live in Sri Lanka, is a humid country, and this one has glycerin. So if you use this only by itself, one and done, it probably not going to work for you because of the glycerin. The glycerin will absorb all the moisture from the air, make your hair swell up and frizz. So you need a glycerin-free gel to use after this to make it work. I'd say yes, because this is a super lightweight. And I needed more. Only oil it has in this one is castor oil, and it's listed in the middle of the ingredients. And the first few ingredients are like water soluble. So fine hair, low density hair can use this. Just make sure that you use it in small quantities. So this one, if you buy one thing, it should last you forever. This is like a co-wash. It's like a conditioner. It's like a leave-in conditioner. It's super lightweight, and it actually adds moisture, and the best thing it does is detangle your hair. That is, it does not add grit like hair gels, like mousses, like hairsprays. Those are the products that add grit. Products like these will help you detangle your hair and give you a little bit of moisture, and if you just use it by itself, it will give you like a tiniest bit of hold, but that's it. And if you have high porosity hair, I suggest you could use this, but you will need a curl cream after this or a mousse after this, and end your hair with a hair gel or a oil. Because you have high porosity hair, you need those layers in. This will not work by itself, one and done, like they show you on videos. This is a 2-in-1 conditioner. That means one of the best things that I love about this one, and I found really, I'm so grateful that I tried it, is because it helped me detangle my thick coarse hair. So if you are someone who struggles with detangling and has these really stubborn knots that brushes can't help, no other conditioners are helping you, then get something like this to detangle your hair, co-wash with it, and then get on with your regular routine. I have low porosity hair, so I definitely recommend the Blue Skala because it's protein free. Well, is it really? Because it does have castor oil and it's listed in the middle of the ingredient. And castor oil, you can say that, okay, it strengthens your hair and things like that, so it can act like a protein. But it's okay. It doesn't have any chemically hydrolyzed proteiny ingredients. Therefore, I will say that this is protein free. And if you have low porosity hair, you want to be using protein free products like this, which are also lightweight. I've used only this one, and I found that it works fine for my low porosity 3A, 3B hair. Here's the ingredient list. And if you look at the ingredient list, the first ingredient is water, so we know it's water based. And then there's some sciencey ingredients, and then the fourth ingredient is the shea butter cetyl esters. That is, esters are primarily to help the glycerin not act out in the humid weather. So if you're afraid to use it in humidity, don't be afraid. You can still use it, but just end your routine with a glycerin-free gel so it doesn't frizz up so much. But it's a perfect product to use during the winter times. And then you have castor oil, and then some of the other ingredients like citric acid or phenoxyethanol. These are like preservatives. So don't be afraid of putting your hands in, just make sure your hands are clean. And if you have any more questions, please put them in the comments below. Here are my final thoughts on the Blue Skala. First of all, it's good for all hair types because it's so lightweight and it's protein free. But if your hair needs more protein, then make sure that you layer with a mousse and a gel. But if your hair needs more protein, then make sure you layer over this a mousse or a gel or both that have protein to get your protein needs fixed. This is also a co-wash, so I'm definitely going to use this as a co-wash to wash between my wash days, shampoo days that is. And it's great for someone who washes their hair all the time, that's every single day, or say 3 or 4 times a week. Then you can use this instead of using a shampoo to wash, detangle, rinse it out, and then style again with just one thing. Here's the thing about using this as one and done. I've seen the viral videos and a lot of them use this just this, that's it. They don't use any other product. If you're someone minimalistic like that, you can definitely go for it. But me, because I don't wash my hair every day or every other day, I need a product that holds my curls for those many days without having to refresh it. So for me, I like to use it like a leave-in conditioner, and then I'm definitely going to use a cream and a gel after, just to get more hold from this. So if you ask me, if you have thick hair, coarse hair like mine, this is more like a primer. It's not like one and done thing at all. Maybe in the winter time, I'll have to try this in the winter time and tell you an update for that. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss those kind of updates also. So let me know if this review was helpful. If you have any other questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. And if you'd like me to try other Skala products, because there's so many others, let me know. And I'll see you in the next video.